Join me as I dive deep into the future of Bbai stock and try to predict what's next for it. Bbai stock has been on a wild ride lately, with its value fluctuating like crazy. As an investor, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and anticipate what's going to happen next. In this video, we're going to explore the current state of Bbai stock, discuss the challenges it's facing, and try to figure out what the future holds. One of the significant challenges Bbai stock is facing right now is market volatility. The entire stock market has been experiencing some significant swings, and Bbai has been no exception. This unpredictability makes it tough for investors to know what to do. Another issue is investor sentiment. If investors are feeling bearish about the market in general, they're less likely to invest in Bbai, which can drive the price down. Additionally, Bbai is also dealing with some internal struggles, which are making it harder for the company to grow. And finally, there's the issue of global events, which can have a substantial impact on the stock market as a whole. All these factors are combining to make Bbai stock a bit of a gamble right now. But that doesn't mean we can't try to make some educated guesses about what's going to happen next. One thing to keep an eye on is the company's financial performance. If Bbai can show some significant growth, that could help drive the stock price up. Industry trends are also crucial. If the industry as a whole is doing well, that's likely to have a positive impact on Bbai stock. Another important factor to consider is competitor analysis. How is Bbai doing compared to its competitors? Is it leading the pack, or is it struggling to keep up? Finally, we need to think about the broader economic picture. Is the economy growing, or is it shrinking? All these elements are interconnected, and analyzing them can give us a better idea of what's going to happen to Bbai stock in the near future. So what's the prediction? Based on my analysis, I think Bbai stock is going to experience a bit of a rebound in the next quarter. The company's financial performance has been improving, and the industry as a whole is doing well. Additionally, Bbai has been making some smart moves to stay ahead of its competitors. Of course, there are no guarantees in the stock market, but I'm feeling cautiously optimistic about Bai's prospects. I think we're going to see a small but significant increase in the stock price over the next few months. The key takeaway from this video is that Bbai stock is facing some big challenges, but there are also some significant opportunities for growth. By keeping an eye on the company's financial performance, industry trends, and competitor analysis, we can make some educated guesses about what's going to happen next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on stock market trends and analysis. And if you want to learn more about the broader market, check out my previous video on stock market trends. I'll link it in the description box below.